Welcome back to Turbo Rider, your ultimate pit stop for everything two-wheeled and adrenaline-fueled. Today, we are diving into the long-awaited revival of a motocross legend, the 2025 Kawasaki KX500. After decades of dormancy, Kawasaki has brought back one of the most iconic dirt bikes in off-road history, and it's making a serious statement in the modern era. The return of a legend. The KX500 was a beast in its prime, feared and loved for its brutal two-stroke power and unmatched performance. First introduced in the early 1980s and discontinued in 2004, the KX500 became a cult classic. Now, in 2025, Kawasaki has reimagined this powerhouse with a blend of retro grit and modern engineering. This isn't just a nod to the past, it's a statement to the future of motocross. Engine and performance. At the heart of the new KX500 is a fuel-injected, 499 cubic centimeters two-stroke engine. That's right. Kawasaki kept the spirit of the original alive with the unmistakable snap and scream of a two-stroke, but now it's cleaner, more efficient, and more refined. The updated engine includes electronic power valve technology and a new exhaust system that delivers smoother power across the rev range without sacrificing the explosive torque the KX500 is known for. Modern chassis, classic feel. The 2025 KX500 rides on a lightweight aluminum perimeter frame, inspired by the KX450 but beefed up for the additional power and torque. Paired with updated Showa suspension front and rear, this machine offers razor-sharp handling and incredible stability over rough terrain. Whether you're hitting the whoops or launching off a dune, the KX500 handles like a modern motocross weapon with just the right amount of old-school aggression. Tech upgrades and design. Kawasaki didn't just update the internals. The 2025 KX500 features a sleek new design with bold graphics, LED lighting, and a digital display that gives you real-time feedback on performance stats. Riders can now connect to the bike via a dedicated app to tune throttle response, power delivery, and even suspension settings. It's a vintage monster with the brains of a smart bike. Final thoughts: a modern-day monster. The 2025 Kawasaki KX500 isn't just a re-release, it's a resurrection done right. It's powerful, intimidating, and unapologetically fast, yet refined enough to meet modern standards of reliability and control. For fans of the original or those who never got the chance to ride one, this is your moment. Thanks for watching Turbo Rider. Be sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you're ready to ride the storm that is the KX500. Until next time, keep the throttle wide and the spirit wild.